What's up YouTube, this is Ringo from Edsphere, and today we are going to go through some math, some IB math. So I'm going to make a bunch of short videos, each time focusing on one single kind of topics or one single type of idea. And we're going to head from there and we're going to learn more and more. So today we're going to start off with something easy, called function. So we need to understand that there are different types of function, right? But first we're going to go with the simple type of function. Well, later on, we're going to learn that there are, composite function, inverse function. But, let's start simple. So what exactly are function? Well, function are just simple equation. Equation that we kind of give them a name. So the most common types of function that you're going to see or written is f of x equals, let's just for example say 2x plus 1, for the simple sake. So what it means is that the function x equals 2x plus 1. So what happens if the function becomes something different? What about if it becomes 2? Well, it simply just means 2 times 2 plus 1. What if it becomes 2x minus 1 equals 2 bracket x minus 1 plus 1? Well, what if it gets a bit more complicated? 2a squared plus 1, then that would be 2a squared plus 1 plus 1. If it was f, I don't know, mouse, then it would be 2 bracket mouse plus 1. So basically, function is the easiest thing. Whatever you have as x, you have x. If you have 2, you write 2. When you have x minus 1, you have x minus 1. When you have this, you have that. You have this, you have that. So it's actually quite simple. So what about other function? You can sub it with other function. For example, what you can have is, let's scroll down here. So what if it is like, I don't know, gx. Let's have a little bit more complicated function. Gx equals x squared minus 4. Let's just take that for example. Well, what does it mean by g2? Well, that just means 2 squared minus 4. So things get a little bit of complication. So let's have b squared plus a. That would be b squared plus a whole square minus 4. What if it is g x plus 1? That would be x plus 1 squared minus 4. So again, it's very similar to what we see above. When we have a function, this time we call it g. If it was x, remains as x. If it is 2, we sub x as 2. If it is b squared plus a, b squared plus a, and then we put the square up here. If it is x plus 1, we have x plus 1, and again the square would be outside. So that is pretty much it, guys, for simple function. So stay tuned, we're going to talk more about the other types of function later. Peace out for now, hit that subscribe button. This is Ringo from Edsphere.